guys, good afternoon. It is 10th of May and it's Friday and it's currently 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm not working today, guys. I'm on my annual leave because I have to take my sister Mimi. There she is. Yeah, I have to take her to have her medical done because we applied for her visa extension here in Australia, and Australian immigration requested for a medical, so that's what we're doing. That's where we're going now, and it is too freaking cold, guys. It is 13 degrees at the moment and it is pouring. Well, actually at the moment it's not raining, but the road is so wet, so I have to be very careful driving. And yeah, it's probably gonna rain again later on, so yeah. And as you can see at the back there, Paris, say hi, honey. That's her there in her car seat. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today. We're just going to drop Mimi there, and then from there I don't know where Paris and I are going to go after that, so we'll see what happens. We'll see you later. Hi again, guys. So we're here now in Docklands. Mimi is going to Bupa. That's where they're gonna do the medical for her. So yeah, just waiting for the time, and then she's gonna go now, and then Paris and I will go to the city and we'll meet a friend there, or I don't know, we'll just meet daddy there too. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So Mimi's actually got her 3-month visa at the moment, and her ticket is when is your her ticket is booked already for the 30th of May. So that's why we started the application for the visa extension last weekend, so I got that enough time to get the result. Well, we applied for another up to 12 months, so she's here for 3 months now, so maybe another 9 months. Fingers crossed. That's the plan. So hopefully, pray for us, guys. Hopefully she'll get it, and yes, she'll be able to stay in Melbourne for a bit more and be with us for longer. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. We'll see. Yeah, okay.
Bye.
Good luck. Well, message me after, huh? When you're finished. We'll probably just see you in the city. And yeah, Paris sleeping on the back seat there, as you can see. And yeah, we're gonna go drive to the city now, guys. See you guys later. So we're in the city now, guys. Here's Paris. Yeah, so we're just gonna go see Ati Weng. And yeah, so she's in, I think, in the next building. So we're in Melbourne Central and she's in Emporium. So yeah, we'll see her soon. Baba, would you like to say hi? 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 Ay, love ko sa mama eh. Paris. So so cute. Yes. So, oh, here it is. So this is what we're looking for, guys. Cafe Blush. I don't know if you can see. No, I think not yet. Oh, Ate Wing said, Cafe Blush. Guys, dito na kami. Andyan na. Dito pala sa Paris. There's Paris, guys, in her high chair. What's wrong? And tiramisu from Ate Wing. Ate Wing, say hi, Ate Wing.
Hello.
My friend, Ate Wing.
Oh, naku naman. Maybe I'm put in there my face. Watch out my face.
We're just gonna have tea. Where's your food? Yeah. It's so cute here, guys. Have a look at that.
Lagyan ko si Paris ng ano ng soup. Look at this baby. Yeah, hold this one. Come on. Look. Look at me. Look at me. Ako, hindi ito malalahasan. Ayaw ko.
So, baby Paris ordered baby tuna and she's just waiting for it. I ordered a white tea, so just a tea with milk on the side. So here's Paris with her baby chino. Careful, baby.
Wow! So nice the cappuccino naman ng baby! Wow!
Yum!
Wow! Yummy! Yummy! Wow,
Careful.
Wow! Careful! Ba't puti?
So guys, so ang sexy ng Ate Wing namin, guys, oh. Tingnan mo, guys. Oh, nakaboots pa siya, guys. She's having ano nga tea?
Blood orange tea.
Oh, blood orange tea. Tapos yung tiramisu, malapit ng maubos ni Paris. Tapos yung sa akin, guys. Ayan. Pati tea lang pag may time. Di ba?
Yeah.
Paris? Paris?
Paris, look the camera.
High five, Mama? High five?
What about
Yay!
Mama? What about
Align daw.
Alive. One more. Oh, one more. Oh, it's enough. Nakakatuwa si Paris na.
Hello guys. Go mama? Go mama? Come on. Good job. Well done, sweetie. Yes. What's that? Come on. Good job. Yay! So hi guys, we're just in Emporium. We're just waiting for Daddy to come out from work so we can go home together. It's Paris. Paris. Hi. Hi guys, good evening. It is currently maybe 7 o'clock at night and we just got home. Mimi has done her medical this afternoon, and while Mimi was doing it, Paris and I went to the city. Didn't we, honey? And yeah, so I guess we want to show you guys. While we were in the city, I saw these I think it's cute pajamas, right? So I got myself a pink one and Mimi a black one. So we're gonna show you guys what it looks like. That looks nice in the camera. It's very very shiny, guys. Very small. So that I think the mosquito won't be able to bite us. You know, the mosquito will slide down the pajamas. So what do you think, guys? I think it looks good. It is 2 for $29, and I think it's a good buy. You know, because you have to look cute even when you're sleeping, right? Right? Yeah, so, and Paris, say hi, honey. Wait. Yeah. What's this, Hannah? Say hi, baby. Hi. Oh, she's tired now too, guys. Aren't you tired? High five. High five. Alive? Alive? Yeah, well, thank you for watching today's vlog, guys. I hope to see you all in our next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Bye now. See you later. Bye. Good job.